And here we are again. Hi! Is it just the flip bothering you? Because it's very hard for me to see if I got you in frame or not. Do you want a head rub? Come on, head rub. There we go. There you go. Not the herky-jerky part. Come on. Head rub. Head rub. Alright. There we go. Oh, look at all those spiky feathers. That was better. That was better. We're going to try again, or is the third time going to be the uncharm? Do you want a head rub? No? That looks like a no. Head rub. Get this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, you're a little hard to predict. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a good head rub. Good head rub. That was enough? Hmm? That's enough. Nope. Not into that Gurge thing. Head rub. There we go. Very good. Hello. That's very nice. Okay. That was good. Thank you. I'll quit while we're ahead. Well, we'll quit while we're ahead if we could turn off the flip.